In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add black outline in Photopea. Open your browser and head to the Photopea website. This is a free browser-based editor that looks and behaves a lot like desktop design software, so there's nothing to install. Once the page loads, start by bringing your image into the workspace. Click Open from Computer, then navigate to the file you want to work with and open it. You should now see your image on the canvas with a layer in the Layers panel. Next, we're going to tell Photopea what to outline. For a quick full image border, go to the Select menu at the top and choose All. You'll notice a marching ants border around the edges of your canvas. This means the entire area is selected and ready for the stroke. With the selection active, go to the Edit menu and choose Stroke. A dialog box will appear with controls for how the outline is applied. The key setting here is Position. Click the Position option and set it to Inside. Choosing Inside keeps the outline crisp and prevents it from spilling outside the canvas edges, which can look soft or get cut off. Now adjust the stroke settings to your preference. The width controls how thick the outline is. On small images, something like 5 to 10 pixels can work well, while larger images may need a wider value. Keep blend mode on normal and opacity at 100% for a solid outline, unless you're intentionally going for a softer look. Next, set the color. Click the color box to open the color picker and choose pure black. Confirm the color selection by clicking OK in the color picker. You'll return to the stroke dialog, where you can double check that position is inside, the width looks right for your image, and the color is black. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply the stroke. Photopea will add a clean black outline based on your selection. Because we selected all earlier, the outline will frame the entire canvas, giving your image a bold, polished border. Take a moment to review the result. If the outline looks too thin or too heavy, simply undo and run the stroke command again with a different width. If edges ever appear blurry, confirm that position is set to inside. And if you want an outline around a specific part of the image instead of the whole canvas, make a selection first, then repeat the same stroke process. That's it. Now you know how to add a black outline in Photopea quickly and cleanly.